Hey there, home bakers. Welcome back to another delightful baking session. Today I'm sharing a delicious treat that's perfect for fall healthy pumpkin cookies. These cookies are not only tasty but also packed with nutritious ingredients that make them a guilt-free indulgence. These cookies are easy to make, packed with flavor, and yes, they're good for you too. Let's dive right in. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, this recipe is simple and straightforward. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is crucial to ensure your cookies bake evenly and come out perfectly golden. Now, in a large mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of whole wheat flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. These dry ingredients form the base of your cookie dough. Give it a good whisk so everything's nicely blended. This ensures that the baking soda and baking powder are evenly distributed, which helps your cookies rise properly. Next, in a separate bowl, mix together half a cup of pumpkin puree, a quarter cup of melted coconut oil, a third of a cup of maple syrup, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The pumpkin puree adds moisture and a rich autumnal flavor. Stir until it's smooth and creamy. This mixture should be well combined to ensure that every bite of your cookie is packed with flavor. Now, slowly add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. This step is where the magic happens, as the wet and dry components come together to form your cookie dough. Mix until everything is just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your cookies tough instead of tender. Don't overmix, you want your cookies to stay light and fluffy. The key to perfect cookies is a gentle touch. At this point, you can fold in some extras like dark chocolate chips or chopped nuts if you're feeling adventurous. These add-ins can take your cookies to the next level, adding texture and bursts of flavor. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This prevents the cookies from sticking and makes cleanup a breeze. Using a spoon or a cookie scoop, drop dollops of dough onto the sheet. Try to keep them uniform in size so they bake evenly. These cookies won't spread much, so flatten them slightly with the back of your spoon. This helps them bake more evenly and gives them a nice shape. Pop your cookies into the oven and bake for about 10-12 minutes. Keep an eye on them towards the end of the baking time to ensure they don't overbake. They're ready when the edges are slightly golden. This is the perfect indicator that your cookies are done. Let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. This allows them to set and makes them easier to handle. And there you have it. Healthy pumpkin cookies that are perfect for fall. These cookies are a wonderful way to celebrate the season. These cookies are soft, chewy, and full of autumn flavors. The combination of pumpkin, spices, and a hint of sweetness makes them irresistible. They're great for a cozy afternoon snack, or even a breakfast on the go. Pair them with a cup of tea or coffee for the ultimate fall treat, plus they're made with wholesome ingredients so you can enjoy them guilt-free. Whole wheat flour, pumpkin puree, and natural sweeteners make these cookies a healthier choice. If you give this recipe a try, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. I love hearing about your baking adventures and any tweaks you make to the recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tasty recipe. Your support helps me create more delicious content for you. Happy baking and enjoy your pumpkin cookies. May your kitchen be filled with the warm, comforting sense of fall.